Hi, hello and welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Hey guys, we all know that Windows gives 2 updates for each and every year. We know that we can check the latest update in our laptop which is installed by checking the set about option in our settings. Here you can see in the above settings, you can see my laptop is installed with the version 18.03 on the date 21 May 2018 with the OS build 17134.112. So what about the previous versions? So how to find or how to know how many previous versions are installed in my laptop? We can check that in the update and security option. There is the simple option there is given by the Windows 10. You can see view update history, but in the view update history there is showing only one feature update and showing other driver updates or quality updates, something different, but not showing the previous version date and previous version model. So what about how to know that previous versions or versions updated in my laptop? So this will be checked, this will be done by, we can access this by two methods. First one is using registry editor. We all know that there are keys or data is hidden in the Windows registry editor. And second one using PowerShell. Yes, we can use the PowerShell to find how many previous how many updates are installed in my laptop in the previous dates. So first we are going to use Windows registry editor. To do this, I'm going to press start button and type regedit, which is Windows registry editor. We all know that. Press enter. This will open the Windows registry editor. In the Windows registry editor, we are going to find the system latest updates and also previous builds which are installed in my laptop. So I'm going to HK local machine. In the HK local machine, I'm going to the system. In the system, you can see there is a setup key. In the setup key, you can see, wait, I'm going to expand it. In the system, in the setup, you can see two source OS keys are showing. In this source OS, this one is updated on 2/9/2018 9/11 time, and second one is updated on 5/21, that is May 21 2018 12:25 time. So this means my laptop, maybe after formatting, this laptop is installed two OSs. That one is installed on the February, and second one is installed on the 5th. If you click on the one key, you can see the data is showing in the second side, where is a build branch name and the other important information about this update. We can check that by toggling these two. You can see this one is released on 1709 and this one is released on 1703. So we can see how many previous versions are installed in our laptop by using this simple registry editor. And the second method is we can also copy paste the previous version updates using PowerShell. So in the PowerShell, we are going to apply two copy paste commands. The links are in the given below. You need to just copy paste the commands by using the links. So I will first open PowerShell by pressing start button and type PowerShell. So in the PowerShell, just right click on the PowerShell and choose run as administration. In the run as administrator, the PowerShell is open. So we need to type two codes. Those are long codes. We cannot type them. So we simply copy paste them. The copy paste command links are in the given below. So first command is this, all builds data. Just select and copy the data and paste it on the PowerShell. So now after entering the second code, we need to press enter. And second time I'm going to copy the second command. So now I'm copying the second command, and in the PowerShell I'm going to paste the second command. So to do this, we can get the sorted update by date, time, release ID. You can see this is the update time, release ID, and the branch, that is Redstone 2nd or 3rd. We also know that, and the build type and product name. So we can copy paste this one by selecting all the updates by date wise and press Ctrl C to paste or save the data for later uses.